Verify that roots of the quadratic equation p minus q into x square plus q minus r into x plus r minus p equals 0 are equal when q plus r equals 2p. Fine. So here we need to prove the discriminant is 0. So before that, the quadratic equation, the given one is p minus q into x square plus q minus r into x plus r minus p equal 0. This is the quadratic equation. So here if I'll compare with the standard one, ax square plus bx plus c, the value of a is p minus q, b value is q minus r, c is r minus p. So given here, see, I'll find discriminant b square minus 4ac. I'll find discriminant, and if I'll get 0, then the roots are equal. So the given condition is q plus r is 2p. I need to prove this value is 0. Now if I'll substitute the values, b is q minus r whole square minus 4, a is p minus q, c is r minus p. A minus b whole square, if I'll expand, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a is q, r, q, r minus 4 times, if I'll multiply p into r, pr, p into p, it's p square minus p square minus qr minus into minus plus pq. Now see if I'll expand this, q square plus r square minus 2qr minus 4pr minus into minus plus 4p square minus into minus plus 4qr minus into plus minus 4pq. So now if I'll rearrange this in order, 4p square plus q square plus r square minus 4pq minus 2qr plus 4qr. Sorry, here qr minus 2qr plus 4qr. So it will be plus 2qr. And minus pq. See, this term is done. pq is done. And qr is done. Now pr is left. So minus 4pr. Now if you observe carefully, it is in the form of a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, but there are some negative terms. So what I'll do, first I'll write the formula: a square b square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So here this is 2p and this is q. This I can write as r. Here 2p, q, q, r, r, 2p. Now see, in this formula, see, like there will be exactly two negative terms, or everything will be positive, or there will be two negative terms in 2ab, 2bc, 2ca. In the two negative terms, here these two terms are negative. In that one letter is common, that is p. So we need to make p as negative. So here minus, minus, it's minus. Now it will be like perfect. So clearly it is in the form of minus 2p plus q plus r whole square. So what I got last step I got as minus 2p plus q plus r whole square. But if you'll observe here, this value q plus r value is given as q plus r is 2p. So minus 2p plus 2p is 0. So answer is 0. Therefore, discriminant I got 0. Roots are equal. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.